Hey guys, this is the Bionicle Builder here, and today I'm going to be doing the second 2016 set, and it is Ikir Creature of Fire. And just to do a little bit of something different, here's Ikir's box compared to Tahu's. So you can see it's a little bit of a smaller set, but actually not really that much smaller than Tahu's box, just a little bit. And let's show the top of the box. So they're the same, but still look really cool. The backs of the boxes. See if I can get both of this in the camera. See how they unite and form this awesome thing, which I'm going to show in this video. I'm going to show this. So yeah, and Ikir doesn't have the comic. The Toa just have the comic, so that's cool. And Ikir has the showing all the things, the actual size of the head, which is actually pretty big. So that's good. You don't have a small head for the creatures, and Tahu kind of has that with the mask popping off feature and the new function and that new function. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Tahu. Let's get on to Ikir. So open up the box. I am really excited for this. Second 2016 set. If I can get the box open. Come on. There we go. Here's all of the bags and instruction booklets and all of that. Let me see if I can get the scissors. There we go. Let's get all of this out. That's good. Yeah, that's good. I might regret dumping all these out because they have quite a lot of Technic. So, who knows? I'm sure it'll be fine. But who knows? There we go. Is that everything? That's everything. Get the sneaky piece. Make sure nothing in the bags. And nothing's in the box. No, nothing's in the box. We should be good. Okay, so let's just get everything fitted here. And look at all the new pieces. Okay, so first off, here's the creature head. I think this looks absolutely awesome. I love the translucent fading. I love that. That is so cool. Looks actually quite a lot like a bird. Very bird-like. Like the beak and everything. New bone pieces. And it's nice translucent red. I don't know why this shows up orange on camera. I'm sorry, but trust me, it's translucent red. Another piece that goes on his chest so that he can unite with Tahu. These aren't new because they were in, I forget which protector it was. Correct me if I'm wrong, but was this in the protector of stone? Correct me if I'm wrong on that in the comment section below. So yeah. He has the protector feet and the shadow trap pieces. These look awesome. They actually do look quite a lot like a bear trap, which I'm pretty sure that's what they're supposed to be. A blue Baraki. Surprising. Maybe this goes on the shadow trap. Looks like it. Looks like it has an eye on here. Nice artwork on the box though. I do like that. And these really cool sword pieces. As I said in Tahu's video, they look like lightsabers to me. So, yeah. These pieces. I don't know if this was in any other sets. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. Might have been in a Chima set. I don't know. New gray. I don't know if this is new, but new to kind of CCBS. A little bit of Technic there. And I think that is most of the pieces. Let's just get everything ready here. And let's build Ikir. I have them all built, and I have to say, he is pretty awesome. For those of you who are wondering, here are the extra pieces. Not too many. That's good since he's a small set. And I wanted to show something pretty cool. They have this, same as Tahu actually. Tahu also had this, but it's a little bit smaller, since he has a smaller one. Still cool, still cool. And they did this different. They just did it like this instead of just like up and down like on Tahu. So that's pretty cool. They have some different in the instructions. And here's Umarak, which I love how awesome he is. He's just so cool. So yeah, I thought I should show that. But let's get to the shadow trap first. So this is the fire shadow trap. Looks really cool, and how you do this is you press down and it'll do this. It can snap. And I don't know if you should or can do this, but you can kind of snap onto Ikir's wing so that it makes it to where he can't fly. So that's pretty cool. He can stop him from getting away, so that Umarak can unite with him. And I'm pretty sure that this one is a little bit special because it only has one. It's the only one with a blue eye. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now for the shadow trap, let's get to Ikir. I have to say, I love the creature head. It looks so cool. As you can see, it has these little things here, so you could attach these claw pieces to it if you wanted, if you have some extra ones of those. And here's the gear function. You can flap its wings and fly away from Umarak, I guess. I don't know. Still pretty cool, though. So, yeah, as the uniter piece has some chest armor. So, yeah. The tail actually activates the gear function. So, that's pretty cool. See how that works with the gears. And he actually has articulated claws. You can see you can do this, do that, and a lot of articulation actually in this. You can grab things. So, yeah. That's pretty much it for Ikir, and let's get on to the unification gimmick. Let's get Tahu here with his awesome swords and unite them so that he can become the uniter of fire. So as you can see, they unite by using this piece. They connect, and if I can get the creature head around his head and do this, get the feet out of the way, and that is Tahu united. He looks awesome. Here, bring his swords down so you can get a closer look at that. I love how the creature head goes over the golden mask. It has a very ancient design. Like he's an ancient fire elemental warrior. That's kind of what Tahu is, though. But still, pretty cool. And if you're wondering, just do this. Here. You can also with the creature with his regular mask. So yeah, I actually like him a lot better with the golden mask. I think it matches and all that. I think it does, and it gives him quite a lot of bulk in his back, and he can use the gimmick too. Ikir is united with him, so that's pretty cool. I love how this guy looks united, and you can put him off and whatever you want to do with him. I'm probably going to leave him like this, and that would about wrap up my review of Ikir, you creature of fire. Goodbye, guys. The Bionicle Builder signing off.